Hello, amazing mathematicians. Today we're going to do some subtraction problems. I'm so excited to do them with you. So when we do this subtraction, today we're going to do it on a number line. Now, I know that a number line can start at 1 and it can go on forever and ever and ever, to infinity and beyond, because our numbers never stop. But I made some number lines here because I want to think about numbers in a linear way, on a line. I drew these number lines, so they're not perfectly straight. A number line should be straight, and every number should be spaced equally apart if I'm counting by ones. But it's a little bit rough. This one I stopped at 12, but I could have gone further. This one I stopped at 13, and this one I stopped at 20. So think about numbers in that way, and let's practice some subtraction. This is 8 minus 3 equals blank. That's an equation because it has an equals mark. Now, maybe you got used to saying 8 take away 3 is blank. That's okay, but we're mathematicians, so we want to use our mathematical terms. 8 minus 3 equals blank. And when it's equals, it's an equation. That's a big word, equation. As long as it equals the same thing on each side, it's an equation. So let's look at the first one. I'm going to start at 8 on my number line. So I'm going to circle that 8, and then I'm subtracting. Minus means subtract. So I'm going to hop back 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. I end up with 5. I started at 8. I hopped back 3 places, and I ended at 5. And I know that to be true. If I had 8 M&Ms and I ate 3 of them, I would have 5 left. So this equation should read 8 minus 3 equals 5. Did you get it? Let's do the next one. 11 minus 5 equals blank. This is my unknown. We have to solve for the unknown, is the way we say it in math. That sounds fancy. They especially say that in algebra. But you guys do algebra now because we solve for the unknown. 11 minus 5 equals blank. So let's start at 11. We're going to circle 11. And we're going to hop back how many places? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I end on 6. So 11 minus 5 equals 6. If I had $11 and I spent 5 at McDonald's, I would have $6 left. All right, one more. We're going all the way to 16, and we're going to subtract 8. 16 minus 8 equals blank. Let's try it. We're going to start all the way here at 16. I made my number smaller here because I made my number line go further. I'm going to subtract 8. That means that I'm going to hop back 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I end up on 8. 16 minus 8 equals 8. I can fill in my equation. Now, I know about turnaround facts. So, hey, I know that 8 plus 8 equals 16. That's a number bond. 8 and 8 equals 16. So I know I got that right. So this is a great way for you to think about numbers and to think about showing what's going on in your head when you are subtracting numbers to make equations. I'll see you next time.